lamsong babsong haino hai Tripura Public Service Commission ni bukhaktei kaisa recruitment notification nokri haikya online application are invited from bona fide citizens of India for recruitment to the post of medical officer dental grade 4 of TDS group a gazetted under health family welfare department government of Tripura in the scale of pay matrix level 14 under TSCS revised pay rule 2017 pre-revised pay band for 15,600 39,100 with grade pay of 5,400. The total vacancy position are given in the table below. By some a medical officer recruitment job nokri phagya grade 4 TDS group A gazetted okay ojaga beton tongnai 15,600 ni simi 39,100 beton tongnai tei logio grade pay tongnai 5,400 khlai mannai tei pay matrix level 14 jora tongnai abo 2017 ni pay matrix ni onusare mannai gai ojaga paipsong naide vacancy nongkhroka total 6ta vacancy nokri hakya UR tongo 5 jon ST tongo 1 jon orun bisingo tongo bwriyongni bagui ojaga 2 jon tongnai tei ex serviceman nongni bagui ojaga 1 jon tongnai tei ojaga educational qualification nangnai essential a recognized dental qualification include in part 1 day 3 of the schedule of the Dentist Act 1948 as appended to this schedule boroni jaga essential qualification phunoka preferable rijaka recognized postgraduate degree as appended to this schedule judi postgraduate degree khlaijak as appended of this schedule onkagai borok preferable tehe tongnai working knowledge rijaka of Bengali ba kok borok manu nangnai hini jaga saka age limit tongnai age limit 40 years ni bisingo tongnai ba jara ST SC ba PS ক্ষেত্রে ngakai 5 বছর relaxation tongnai 10 তারিখ 10 মাস 2025 by S no calculation mention khlai 40 ni bisingo hungkakai o jaga application khlai mane jara ST SC PS on ক্ষেত্রে hungkakai 5 বছর relaxation dikhankai 45 year jora o jaga application ran bagai eligible tongnai gai bayapsong o jaga application khlainani bagai last date o jaga naidi the last date of submission of online application is 10 তারিখ 10 মাস 2025 up to 5:30 pm saringni sara 5ta jora khlaimane aro october ni 10 তারিখ jora application khlainani bagai last date dijaka inga selection process inga jaga selection process saka as per service rule the recruitment process will comprise of 2 step written examination 85 mark ni written examination 85 mark ni tongnai interview eba viva process 15 mark ni jaga tongnai abo haike jaga selection process tlanjaknai gai baipsong o jaga 5 jon abo 5 jon o khoroksa khlai o jaga interview ni bagai ringjaknai 8 jon abo hongkai 2 jon khlai ringjaknai abo haikai selection process jaga rijaka gai oro online application khlainani bagai link rikha link for online application portal will be available on commission website from 15 তারিখ 9 মাস 2025 एबा 15 सेप्टेम्बर निसिमनि online application khlaimanai october ni 10 तारिख jora sarik ni 5:30 pm jora o jaga online application khlainani bagai eligible tongnai gai jara application khlaina han tongnai rok o jaga rate of recruitment fee naidi ojago group a gazetted post ni bagui phunuka ojaga general ni khetre gakai 400 nangnai tei jara ST SC eba BPL card holder ni bagui gakai eba physically handicapped candidate dongni bagui jagao 350 khaino jagao online application khlaimani jara SC ST BPL card eba physically handicapped candidate dongni bagui gakai 350 khaino jaga online application khlaimanai jara qualification gonang rok rimanai gasukno haino hai jotono hambai।